Today, we're going to take a look at how to add a market and create a market in the iHomeFinder IDX control panel. We're going to start on the splash screen, the lead activity dashboard where we log in. We're going to go up to the top here and click on markets, and we're going to click on add new. Notice here that this page looks just like a search page on the front end of the website. Now there's 3 different avenues that we can use to make market. One, we could just grab a city if we wanted to, and then grab price points, bedrooms, baths, anything like that. We can also use the advanced search options and do things here like county, MLS area, etc. Your mileage will vary depending on which MLS you're using. And you can also create a polygon map. iHomeFinder has best-in-class polygon maps because our polygon maps will do advanced search options from within the polygon map. So if we wanted to take a look here up in Folsom Lake in Northern California, and we wanted to strictly look for horse properties, you can see that there are 2 horse properties from within the map as well. Just go ahead and save this as test number 5. And now you have your completed horse property polygon map, and this is now ready to drop into any type of web page. Now, if we go and we look at one of these on the front end of a website, we will note here that we have the listing report, which is the classic saved search or hot sheet, etc. And then we also have all the open houses as well that appears in this specific market that we've created. We also have a market report with all the specific market information that's available monetarily in the actual market from the last 30 days and the last 6 months as well. These market reports update every 30 days. The open houses reports update every Friday morning, very early. And then obviously the listing reports update at will. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.